Is there a limit on Zelle with Poppy Bank? Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about lately. Is there a limit on Zelle with Poppy Bank? I'm going to start by answering this question directly, and then I'm going to go into more detail about the different limits that Zelle has. Answer: yes, there is a limit on Zelle with Poppy Bank. The limit is $5,000 per day and $10,000 per week. More details. Here are some more details about the limits on Zelle with Poppy Bank. The daily limit is $5,000. This means that you can send or receive up to $5,000 in a single day. The weekly limit is $10,000. This means that you can send or receive up to $10,000 in a single week. The limits are per transaction. This means that you can send or receive multiple transactions in a day or week, as long as the total amount does not exceed the daily or weekly limit. The limits apply to both sending and receiving money. This means that you can't send more than $5,000 to someone else in a day, and you can't receive more than $5,000 from someone else in a day. The limits are subject to change. Poppy Bank may change the limits at any time. How to increase your Zelle limits. If you need to send or receive more than $5,000 in a day or $10,000 in a week, you can contact Poppy Bank and request a higher limit. How to verify your account. In order to send or receive more than $5,000 in a day, you will need to verify your account with Poppy Bank. This process is simple and can be done online. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips for using Zelle with Poppy Bank. Zelle is a safe and secure way to send and receive money. Zelle is free to use. Zelle is available to most people in the United States. You can use Zelle to send money to friends, family, and businesses. You can also use Zelle to pay bills. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. What are your thoughts on Zelle? Do you use it? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.